What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Deepani G, and yes, I'm back again with another lacing tutorial. I said I got you, and today's lacing tutorial is going to be the Union lacing on the Jordan 1. And in my opinion, this is 100% like, this is the best way you can lace your Jordan 1s for sure. Like, I don't know, but you get to incorporate you get to use both pairs of laces, because with a lot of the ones that I've released, you do actually get you get two pairs of lacing. So as you can see for here, I have the court purples, they have the purple lacing and the black lacing, and instead of just having like one shoe purple, one black, I thought I'd try and put both laces together. And as you can see here, purple, black, and yeah, and a lot of people have just been asking me, because they've seen on my Instagram on this post, they're like, oh, that lacing's sick, like, oh, how'd you do it? So I just thought, yo, I'm gonna do a tutorial, because you know that's what I'm about, and I wanted to plug you guys. Like, so yeah, if you have a pair of ones then, and you want to know like the most fire way to lace your shoes, then I got you. I can say that I can say I got you. Yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get into it. But before that happens, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you know what I'm saying, we're trying to hit that post notification bell as well, both of them right here. And yeah, we're on the way to 10k. And drop a like if you want to show some love. Yeah, I just do fashion and just like sneakers, that's shoe related content. So if you like that stuff, then yeah, drop a sub, man, show some love. Yeah, let's get into it.
Kill my pump, my vibe is tough. I done been through a lot, I done seen some stuff.
Gang, squad flexing, saying you don't have fans. Yeah, bitch, I'm turned off, I feel like I want a Grammy, yeah. Love no thought of knees, I know she cannot understand me, yeah. Speaking Guapanese, I know he cannot understand me, yeah. I'm a real, all you gotta do is...
Alright, best. You see how I got the shoes here? Just take out the laces. Just take out the laces. That's step one. Just take out the laces. Yeah. Okay. First step's pretty simple. All you need to do is have the laces in. Like the first one. As you can see, I've gone from the outside in, and you just need that first bar. That's literally all you need. The first bar. And then what we're gonna do is just, well, for me, because of my other shoe, I have the black lacing from here, and then the purple lacing at the top. For the right shoe, I'm just gonna flip it the other way around. I'm gonna do the purple lacing and the black, because I thought it looked cool and I wanted to try something new. Once you're here, what you're gonna need to do is just literally all you have, you're just gonna take the laces, take one lace, or make sure they're even at the top, because if they're not even at the top, then like it's gonna be mad annoying. So yeah, take one lace, make sure it's straight, and you see the hole here, you're just gonna go across and then outside in like that, pull, make sure there's no twists. Okay, boom, loosen it a little bit. Now the other side as well, you're gonna come across, outside hole in, just like that, boom, pull, make sure there's no twists, I keep loosening them in between, because I want my shoes to feel a little bit more comfy, but you don't have to. And you're just gonna keep doing this, outside in, pull, get the other one, outside in, pull. There's a little bit of a twist there. Boom, I loosen them, lacing, boom. Just keep going, and I'll tell you there's and then hold on. Outside in. Okay, so you're gonna keep doing this until you see how there's two holes here. You're gonna do it up to this hole. There's a little gap, and that's like a perfect gap. So you see there's a gap. Do this outside lacing until you get to here, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so now we're here, we can move on to the next step. So as you can see, I've done outside lacing. Well, that bit doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you've laced it up to this hole here, and then you're ready for the next step. So if I was you, I just adjust it all now, kind of make it loose lacing here, and this is where you're gonna get your second pair of lacing. So depending on what color you have, see, I have the black, which is pretty hard to see against this, but yeah, so I've got the black lacing, which I'm going to be putting on the top. Wait, I'm sitting funny, but that's because I'm holding the shoe. Don't be making any strange comments, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just sitting funny because, yeah. So this bit is a little bit tricky, but you see how the purple lacing is going in here? Well, what we need to do is actually get the black lace and push it underneath this one. So I'll get closer. So we're going to push the black lace underneath, and it is hard to get through. You just have to keep filling it and moving it about. Alright, see, I've got it through. You just want to pull that through just a little bit. Okay. Now you see some the older Jordan 1 models don't have this, but there's like a line here. I don't know if you can see. There's a, you can see this bit here, just in there. But what you want to do is you're going to feed the black lace just through there. You need the one that you just poked through the hole. You need that to go through, just like that. Hold on. And then put it through underneath, so it's going all the way through. Again, just make sure there's no twists, because the twists are mad annoying. Okay, so that's gone through there. And then through the other side, what you need to do is, in the inside here, where the other purple lacing comes in, you want to push it underneath that hole there. So I'm going to do that now. Done. Boom. So now that's both through. That's pull that through. Just try and get rid of the twists. Alright. Alright, so now what you want to do is, now that you've got it through both ends, you're gonna have to even it and make sure that I forgot what the name for these are called, but you want to make sure these are even at the top when you pull them up. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, so now that the black lacing is even either side, we're gonna get into the next part, which is okay, so what you're gonna want to do after you've made it a little bit even. Okay, see in the back here, see that just there is a little black lacing just there. What you're gonna do, you're gonna need to pull that out. Like, make sure it's even, but you're gonna pull that, and hopefully it evens it out. But if not, you can just even it. But you're gonna pull that out. Hold on. Pull that. I'd say about that much. You see, about that much, maybe a little bit more. And then once you pull that out, just check the back lace and just make sure it's even. See, mine's a little bit uneven, so I'm just gonna have to readjust that a little bit. Right, should be even now. Okay, so now my black lacing is even. What you're gonna do is, on top of the black lacing that's going through here, you're gonna, from the right one here, you're gonna feed the purple lace through the hole, and then pull it out the back, just like that, just so it's sitting with the lacing, other lacing at the back. Same with the left side. Left side is gonna go through on top of the black lacing. Right, boom, that's through as well. Okay, so now you're here. What you need to do now that, okay, so, and then you should have this bit here. Don't worry about that. That is actually what is meant to happen. It's slightly annoying, but it is what it is, man. Like, yes, you should have this, and you can adjust the differences on the black one if you want. But I don't think it's too much of a problem. So yeah, now what you need to do is, same as we did before, we're gonna get the black lacing and actually go. See this hole here, we're gonna go outwards in, just like that. Pull it through, pull the lacing through, no twists. Boom. Same with the other side. Where's the other lace gone, man? Hold on, so. Now we're gonna get the other lace. We're gonna push it through here. Okay, that's pull. Loosen up a little bit. Same with the other side. One more time. One more time. We're gonna feed into this top one here. Boom, boom, boom. Remember, outside in. So coming from the out and pushing it in. We're gonna do this one as well. Boom. Loosen up a little bit. Okay, now all you have to do is grab this one. Push it into the inside this time instead of going outwards. So all you're going to do is just push it through the inside of this here. Yeah. Loose lace that. Same with the other side. Just grab that one, push it into the right. Just loosen it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Push up the tongue, get it all good. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, that's it. You've done it there. This bit is hanging out, but all you need to do with this bit here is literally just all you have to do is just tuck it in, just wrap it around your ankle or push it underneath. You can take out the insole and wrap it around, but I didn't want to do that because then it rips off the glue. So yeah, literally you're gonna have this, wrap it around, and you're set. And what you're gonna have to do is, I think maybe this black lace in here is a little bit too long for me, so I'm gonna go back and like readjust it just by pulling this. I'm gonna pull that, take out the lace and just pull it out and adjust it, just so I can have a little bit of a short length. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm about to do a little montage of the final result on foot with both laces tied like that. So yeah, let's get into it. Anyways then man, that will conclude the video of the Jordan 1 lacing tutorial. If you have decided to lace your Jordan 1s like this and it has helped you out, if you could just drop a like or even a sub, that'd be much appreciated. I haven't really got much else to say, so yeah, stay tuned for my next few videos, simple as that. I hope all of you stay safe, keep healthy, keep well, take care of yourselves, and I'm out. Peace.
Bitch, I'm the go for like I walk on water. I'm talking your bitch and he locked on my toilet. Walk with the dog, come fuck her a bar. Throw the boy out with his head, we play soccer. I speak with a water, I like a toilet. Call up the garbage, I need you, spot me. I thought I ain't good mess, that was a lobster.